Now we'll be going on to integer addition and subtractions. Firstly, we'll be talking about what integers are. Integers basically include all whole numbers and their negatives. So examples are 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -4, and -5. The general guideline for this is that if it's the same sign, you adopt the same sign for the final answer, and then you just add the numerical values, and then you ignore the signs. If it's different signs, you follow the sign of the greater number. Then you subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So one example of this is if we take positive 10 plus 6. Since they are both positive signs, the answer will also be of a positive sign. And then you add 10 plus 6 to get 16. So the answer to this is positive 16. If they are both negative signs, then you adopt the negative sign for the answer, and you add 10 plus 6. However, if they are of different signs, you follow the sign of the greater number. So in this case, 10 is the greater number. So the final answer will adopt a negative sign. And then you subtract 10 from 6. This way you get the answer -4.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.